Hi guys, in this episode I'm going to show you how you can hide your apps from your home screen and later how you can restore them. Okay, for this example I'm going to choose some apps that are in the end of my screens right here. I'm going to select my Expedia app for this example. So what we're going to do is we're going to click and hold that application like so. Okay, as you can see, this little prompt appears and we're going to hit the remove app. We hit that, and now instead of hitting the delete app option, the first one, we're going to hit the number 2 option that says remove from home screen. Okay, hit that, and as you can see, the app disappeared. Now, it didn't delete, okay? It's very important that we note that. So how do we go about to find it again and restore it? Okay, we can go to our app library. Okay, how do we do that? We go swipe left. It's the very end of the screen. So for example, if you're on this screen right here, you can swipe left again. Here's where we were. Swipe one more time and the app library appears. Now we can either search for the app or the icon right here, but it's a lot easier if you just type it in here. We're going to type Expedia. Okay, there's the app. Now what we're going to do is we're going to click and hold, okay, like this. Okay, then we drag, and as you can see, the app library folder menu disappears and it takes us to our screens. Now I'm holding the app right here, the icon, and we can select to place it wherever we want. We can place it right here or right here, or we can even move it to another screen if we wish to do so, like this. Okay, we can place it right there. Okay, now once we're done with that, just click anywhere on the screen where there's no icons, like here, and you're good to go. Now you may ask, what happens if I do this with an app that is already unhidden? Like for example, this one right here says go to meeting. That app is not hidden. So let's go swipe left to the app library. I'm going to find that app, go to meeting right here. And what happens if I click this and swipe? Okay, nothing happens. I mean, it was already available, but what it does, it allows me to move it around. Now, of course, you don't have to do all that to move around an icon. You can just press and hold it, select the edit home screen, and you just select and move it around like so. You can even move it to another screen like we did with the Expedia icon. And then we just click anywhere on the screen to stop the icons from moving around, and they're all set. So I hope that was helpful, guys. Please like and subscribe so I can continue to give you guys more tips.